Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. This video I will show you how to adjust who can comment on our public posts on Facebook. Normally in Facebook, when we post something, everyone can comment on this public post, even people who don't follow us. So to control this, we can use audience selector to choose who can comment on our public posts. Click on the down arrow showing in the top right corner of the Facebook. From the drop down list, select settings and privacy, and in the pop-up options, please choose settings. In this page, come to public post showing on left column, and in right panel come to who can follow me, and it is showing followers see your post in newsfeed. Friends follow your post by default, but you can also allow people who are not your friend to follow your public posts. Use this setting to choose who can follow you. To allow everyone to follow us, select to public. If not, select only the friends. Next, come to public post comments. By default, it will allow friends of the friends. That means our friends and their friends in their friend list can comment on our posts. To change this, click on edit and select a suitable option. Public friends of friends or only the friends. If we select to public, everyone including who are not following us also can comment on our posts. Here I want to select to only my friends to comment on my posts. Similarly, we can adjust to public post notification. Click on edit and select a suitable option. Depending on the selected option, we can get notifications when people who are not our friends start following us and share, like, or comment on our public posts. I want to keep it as default. After making the modifications, no need to change this. Automatically it will be changed in Facebook settings. Like this, we can adjust who can comment on our public posts on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.